Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a wash and go on my hair. This is the first time that I will be trying a wash and go on my hair, and let's just see how it goes. Okay, I've washed and deep conditioned my hair, and first thing I'll be applying, I've sectioned my hair. First thing I'll be applying is my leave-in conditioner, and I'm using this one from, is it taliah waajid or taliah waajid, something like that. I just got it new, so I'll be using that leave-in conditioner and the Ecostyler Flaxseed and Castor or black castor oil gel. This is my first time trying both products on my hair. So I've gone ahead and I've sectioned my hair and I've applied my leave-in conditioner, and what I'm just doing is detangling my hair with my brush before I apply the gel, so that I can rake the product through my hair easily. I've never tried the wash and go before, but I've used gel on my hair and it didn't really give me so much definition, so I heard this gel works really good and I went ahead and I got it, and just want to try it and see how it goes. Okay, so I am currently just raking the gel through my hair that I've applied leave-in conditioner to already. I'm just raking it. As you can see, it's looking a little bit defined, and you just want to rake your fingers in just to make sure that the gel gets all over your hair, and just till your hair basically feels coated with the gel. Because I find that applying little, it really works, so I just had to apply quite a lot of gel on my hair. So I'm not really sure about how this is going, so I just went ahead and I did the shingling method. This is basically just when you just take small portions of your hair and just smoothing it, like I'm doing, just in little portions, just smoothing the product into your hair just to give it that separation and definition, and that's what I'm just doing. I've personally not tried a wash and go before. This is my first time, like I said, but I've seen people do this a lot of times, and most of them, they do the shingling method like I'm doing. And if the just raking the product into your hair doesn't really work for you, you can try the shingling method and see if it works. But one other thing you want to make sure is your hair is wet when you're doing a wash and go. So I just applied more water into my hair because it was getting dry at this point, and then going with my leave-in conditioner, which is a spray leave-in. And it's really frustrating because it's not spraying because my hands are so slippery, so I kind of have to spray the product on my palms before applying it on my hair. But either ways, so one thing I also noticed about this gel was that I had to apply a lot of it to give my hair definition. So I'm kind of worried that maybe it might make my hair hard or flake. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. So I'm just raking in the product into my hair, as you can see, just raking it just to make sure that my hair is completely covered up in gel, and you can see it's clumping together. So I'm just doing the shingling method, just separating my hair into smaller strands and just smoothing it, and just smoothing the gel on my hair, just to help it separate and just form individual curls. So yeah, it's really easy. You just spray in water, your leave-in conditioner, and the gel. I kind of like decided to use just a leave-in conditioner and the gel. I didn't want to use any curling cream in between, just because it was my first time. Maybe next time maybe next time I would try to use a curling cream in between, but it was my first time doing this, and I really just I didn't want to put too much product. I didn't want to use too much product. I just wanted to use the gel and see how it would work. But next time I'm going to do this style, I will definitely use a curling cream in between. Like after my leave-in conditioner, I would use a curling cream before I apply the gel, just to see what difference that would make. Okay, so this is simply what I did. I showed you guys what I did, simply just what I did, and I did it on the rest of my hair. I'm not going to show you guys how I did everything, because then this video will be like 1 hour long. So but this is what I did. I just did it, did this around my hair, and yeah, I would show you guys what it looked like when I was done, and what it looked like when my hair was almost dried. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. I think this is definitely a failed attempt at a wash and go, because it doesn't look, I don't know how it looks. It doesn't look nice. I don't know if it's just me or if my hair isn't so defined. It's kind of, it's just, it looks more messy than defined actually. But I'm going to allow this air dry, and then I would come back and show you guys what it looks like. I have watched like 1,000 wash and goes on YouTube, and you always notice that after they apply the product, the hair kind of like, it tends to just slick, and it's just weighed down, and then after it dries it becomes puffy. But this is my hair after I've applied my product, and it's full, it's puffy, it's everywhere. So I'm only trying to imagine what it will look like when it gets dry. Although I only used my leave-in conditioner, which is a spray kind of limit, so it's very liquid, and the Ecostyler black castor and flaxseed oil gel. Sorry, this is my first time trying to wash and go, and I didn't want to use a lot of product so that I can see how it goes. But I don't really like the way this looks, so maybe next time I would use like another product. Maybe I would use a thicker leave-in conditioner, or I would use like a curling cream before I apply my gel, just to see what difference that makes. But it's my first time I'm doing this, and well, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it gets dry. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when it gets dry. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. It's almost dry. It's like 70% dry. And I wasn't so sure at the time when I finished applying my product, but I am loving it right now. I don't know, it's so weird, but I really love the way it looks. It has this afro thing going on, because I don't really wear my hair in froze, so this is definitely one way for me to wear my hair in a fro, because it has this curly thing, this afro thing going on, and I really like it. And this gel, oh my gosh, like it feels like, you can see, like my hair is very flexible. Like it doesn't feel like I applied the gel on my hair, because like it doesn't have this strong hold. Like this gel is definitely awesome. And yes, I am loving my hair. It feels really soft. Although it's not as defined as I would want a wash and go to be, but at the same time I have very frizzy hair, so I think this is the best I can get out of a wash and go. But I really like it, and I would definitely do it again. So if you've not tried the Ecostyler Flaxseed gel and you have problem with getting defined wash and goes, I would recommend that you try the gel. I really love my hair. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. Like it feels really soft. And yes, I would do this again, but maybe next time I am going to try like a curling cream in between, because I only used my leave-in conditioner and the gel. But next time I'll probably use a curling cream in between, just to see what it will look like. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Follow me on Instagram at Afrolicious, and yeah, you can leave a comment if you have any questions or video suggestions. So thank you for watching.